Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where I'll show you how to request a payment using the Wise app. So let's jump straight into it. First, log into your Wise account. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Recipients. If the person you want to request money from isn't already added, click on Add Recipient. Then choose the currency you want to receive, like British pounds. You'll have two options here: either search for the person using their Wise tag and email or phone number if they're already on Wise, or manually enter their bank account details. Once you've added the recipient, go back to the recipient section and click on their name. At the top, under their name, you'll see three buttons: Send, Request, and Delete. Go ahead and click on Request. On the next screen, scroll down and tap Start. Now enter the amount you want to request and select the currency. You can also add a note to remind the recipient what the payment is for. Once everything's filled out, tap the green Send Request button. Your request will be sent directly to the recipient, and they'll be able to pay you through Wise.